So you're looking for that official team gear, right? Especially when the big sales hit.
Black Friday.
Exactly, Black Friday.
Hmm.
You see these promises like up to 50% off, and your first stop is almost always going to be nflshop.com. It bills itself as the official source.
And that's really where our deep dive starts today, because there's this
Hmm.
this huge tension on the surface. I mean, the site looks great. It's clean. You see the name brand jerseys, gear for all 32 teams.
Oh, it's professional.
Totally. But underneath that official facade, our sources show this massive public question. Is this place actually legit, or are you just buying a massive headache?
And that's our mission here. We're completely ignoring the glossy ads and we're focusing on the raw
These
data,
are real experiences.
the customer complaints, and what actually happens after you click that buy button.
And it seems like that official facade it crumbles almost immediately.
So where does it start? From what we've seen, the huge majority of complaints, they're all about shipping and logistics.
Oh, the specifics are they're kind of incredible.
Yeah.
You have customers who track their order. They see it marked delivered,
Right.
and there's nothing on their porch. Nothing. Or even worse, the company creates a shipping label, marks the order as shipped, but the carrier, FedEx or UPS, they never actually got the package.
So it never even left the warehouse.
Never.
Wow. That's a classic move for a shady site, but from the official store, that's genuinely shocking. If they can't handle the box, I can't imagine what happens with the money.
Well, it gets worse on that front, too. The financial tangles are the next big thing. We saw reports of buyers who clearly have a charge on their bank statement. It's right there,
The proof is there.
undeniable proof. But when they call customer support about their missing item, the company claims the payment didn't go through, or they'll just insist no charge was ever made.
And then you have the custom stuff, the
Yeah.
high-stakes orders.
Exactly.
Yeah.
People spending close to $200 on a custom jersey, something they really want, only for the order to just be, poof,
Yeah.
canceled. No explanation at all.
So they're out the money and the gear.
For a while, at least. And trying to fix it is another nightmare. The customer support is widely reported as being slow or just plain unhelpful.
And what about that coupon thing?
Right. The go-to tactic seems to be offering a small discount coupon, but customers just saw that as a cheap distraction. It's not a solution when your $100 package is missing.
So when we tie all this together, what's the verdict?
The synthesis from our sources is clear. NFLShop.com is a real company. It's not a total scam.
Okay.
But the core failure is just operational reliability. The official brand and the high prices, they don't actually guarantee you'll get basic reliable service, especially during the holidays.
So for you, if you are planning to buy something, the takeaway from our sources is this. The biggest risks are missing orders, serious delays, and just a nightmare with refunds.
You have to proceed with caution, especially with the expensive or the custom items. And please, prioritize reading the recent reviews before you even think about buying.
Which really leaves you with a final thought, doesn't it?
Yeah.
If a store that promotes itself as the one and only official hub for, America's biggest sports league has this many problems, what does that say about how closely we need to look at every major retailer, even the ones that seem totally established, when those huge sales roll around? Something to think about next time you're shopping.